guys, it's Andrew Noriega here. Today I'm going to play Minecraft. Yay. So I'm just going to go to Minecraft. Here I go. Oh, that's my sister. This is my server, not another. Let's go. So I'm not pretty much done. I have made a lot of videos but they didn't work. And I did all this stuff on the videos, but it never worked. So this is the stuff I have done, and I still have to finish this. It's like flooring. I don't know where that door is there. I didn't put it there. So I am just going to maybe use my ally, my sister. Well, her real name is Gianna. So here we go. We're just doing this. You guys have to see that sign. You guys don't have to, but you should. So let's just go. Coming soon. Because, this is my house. My house. It's not the first thing I ever made. This is the Warps. Oh my god, it just glitched me out. Oh yeah, remember. I would always go right there because of a name like that. And then I'm gonna, oh yeah, I have to put bars around it. I'm gonna do bars around it. Because if I always does that, I forgot. Okay, I need to go a little out. Wait, I don't do it that tall. What's that? I don't do it that tall. Oh my. I do not know how to work bars. For sure. Not know how to work bars. They're really hard. So I don't know how to work them that good. Oh, the doors are gonna work now. I don't know. Until I get this fixed for my house, it will be better. So I'm just this block. Is this right? Yeah, it is. So this is the stuff I have made. First thing when you spawn in, you come over here. Here. Then there's two things to choose from: hub or good room. The hub is this room, and this is the good room. Well, first I'm gonna show. Wait, I already showed you the bath, so let's go to the good room. The good room has chest. The good room has parkour warp, and white warp to the White House because of if anyone wants a house, they could just break all this wool and stuff and make their doors different. But they have it the same. But they have to have it the same size, but different colors. And I'm not really finished with this. The next one is the parkour. I'll try the parkour. Let's try it here. Start. Oh, when I do a double jump. Oh, come on. I'm gonna go start. Imagine they let us do lava. That would be amazing. I'm just gonna cheat and do that. Okay, and then home is the hub. I forgot to put hub instead. Oh yeah, and there's secret doors. I remember bringing secret doors. If you don't know how to do secret doors, they're hard. I don't know what happened, and I just did that. And this is the homes, but I want to be an owner, but it costs money to do it. This is a secret place for the homes, where they're OPs. That used to be my cake. This used to be my cake shop, but I destroyed it. Made it somewhere else, but I broke it. They always have blocks spawn in. I hate it. So this is the parkour race. People had to walk to it because the warps never work for it. I'm gonna try to make a warp right now. I had to do it on this black one. So this is what it is. /set warp parkour race. Parkour race. Oh yeah, I already did that. But this parkour race, so /set warp Where's P? Parkour 2. Then I'm gonna go stick it up on that wall a little bit there. Stick it up on that wall a little bit there. I'm gonna see if it works. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna be so mad. Warp. Okay, now we're gonna do this. Parkour 2. Yep, I knew it didn't work. Okay, but this is my server. I just broke that, so I need to do it again. Oh my god, what am I doing? Not very good at this. Okay. Wait, what's it? But let's see. Oh yeah, I forgot to do this. Okay. Works? Yeah, so it works. Okay. So I'm done with that, and this is probably the end of the video. And I will see you guys later.